Now, operations at Spanish Town Hospital were briefly disrupted Monday night after a man brandishing a knife and behaving erratically was shot by security personnel. Rashida Walker has the details.
What started as an innocent visit to the Spanish Town Hospital for psychiatric assistance took a dramatic and violent turn Monday night, leaving a man injured and raising concerns about mental health. But how did it all unfold? Jacqueline Ellis is the Chief Executive Officer of the Spanish Town Hospital.
At about 10:34, a gentleman presents at the entrance to the Accident and Emergency Department. He asked for a psychiatric nursing aid. And so the security officer would have asked him to sit under the tent while she went to retrieve such an individual.
And then things took a turn for the worse.
Within a few minutes, he came back and he began behaving impatient. And so he advanced at the security with a knife. At that time, King Alarm was doing their patrolling, as we have a contract with them as well to provide support to the team, and so they were alerted to the matter at hand, and they stopped and provided the assistance. Based on information received, they would have asked him on several occasions to put down the knife, but he continued to advance at them, and so they proceeded to shoot him.
Fortunately, the man survived the shooting and was rushed to the hospital's accident and emergency department, where he is receiving treatment for his injuries. However, mental health advocates believe these incidents highlight the growing mental health crisis in Jamaica. The authorities say they continue to work to uncover more about the man's background, including whether he is a registered patient of the hospital or has a documented history of psychiatric or mental health challenges. Rashida Walker for TVJ News.